Thank you so much po.
Sige, go. Go lang ko dyan.
SRF. Yes. Sayawan na lang. Wait lang. Palitan natin.
Sige, G. Thank you, Ate Peps. Thank you, Nakshi. Thank you sa inyo lahat. Lahat ka, thank you.
Sayawan na lang tayo, guys.
Eka, Ate Betchay. Koki. Ay,
Thank you so much.
gusto niyo po magsayawan tayo.
Yes, sayawan tayo. Dako na lang sa sayawan.
Hindi ko napantayan. Kuya, thank you.
Kaya na lang natin. Thank you so much po.
Ay, nandito si Katie sa akin, okay, oh.
Go, Katie! May coach pa ako dito eh.
Pwede ko na-inform saan mag-outfit ako. Kapambahay lang ako eh.
Okay lang yan ate. Celebration ng birthday ko po kasi.
Ah, okay. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Thank you po.
Lasing na to, shot.
Hindi pa umiinom, lasing na.
Uy! Maybe this time daw. Maybe this time.
Ay, maybe this time ba? Sige, pagbigyan natin si ate.
Uy, hindi ka nagaganyan. Uy, grabe naman yung microphone! Alaga lang, ha? Alaga lang, ha? Ikang, ha? Ganti din ako sa microphone na yan.
Yan pa.
Step 1, cleanse with foam. Step 2, moisturize with cream. It's easy with Pods Glow
Baby,
Duo.
it's time.
Nissan Breadsticks letters. Yummy and crunchy. Our snack time bonding favorite.
Daming ads, no?
Love won't end.
This is the mix of DJ
Thank you.
Wiz.
She's smiling like she used to smile way back then. She's feeling like she used to feel way back when they tried. Thank you very much. Them waiting for this magic moment.
Thank you, Ate Beth. Thank you, Kuya Juan.
She used to feel way back
Thank you,
when they
Kuya Juan.
tried. Something got them waiting for this magic moment. She used to smile way back then. She's feeling like she used to feel way back when they tried.
thank you so much sa inyong lahat. Teka lang, wag kayo umalis.
Thank you po.
Thank you so much, especially sa Shines Agency. Bebe Wendy, Spicy, Meme, Oktin, Arina, Jayco, Moy, Daddy, thank you, Safri, thank you. Kuya One Piece, thank you, and Ate Bebs, thank you, Ericang, thank you. Bad Cat, thank you so much. JC, Bunso, thank you so much sa inyo. Bebe Katie, thank you so much, Shane, thank you so much. Grabe. Nahiya kasi ako mag-invite talaga.
Thank you so much
Thank
po,
you, everyone.
Sugar Rolls family. Lahat
Yes,
ng
and
Sugar
happy birthday
Rolls.
sa'yo, Bebe.
Thank you po. Thank you din sa mga birthday
May
greetings.
kanta sa'yo si Carlos Agassi.
Thank you po.
Congratulations. Thank you, guys. Ate Betchay, thank you so much. Thank you. Teka lang, paano ko pala itin to? Hahanapin ko yung happy birthday.